Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Easy French. Je m'appelle Vishal. My name is Vishal and in this video we are going to learn about different emotions, how we express our emotions. So let's start. Well, to start with, let me ask the question, how are you? In fact, there are two ways of asking the questions, formal, informal. Now, informally, we ask, Comment ça va? Comment ça va? That's the informal way. And the same question, if you ask in a formal way, that is, Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? That means, how are you? To be more specific, if you want to ask, how are you feeling? Again, there are two ways of asking the question, informal and formal. Now, informally, we can ask like, Comment tu te sens? Comment tu te sens? That means, how are you feeling? And the same question if you ask formally, and it is, Comment vous vous sentez? Comment vous vous sentez? Now, this is a very specific question about the emotions. So, let me talk about different moods now. But before that, I'll tell you how to say I am, because we have to say I am and then mood. So, it is je suis. Je, that is I, suis, am. So, je suis, I am. Happy. Je suis content. Je suis contente. Now, you can see here, the emotions depends on the gender. Now, for masculine, we don't have to put an extra E in the end, but yes, for the feminine, we have to put an extra E in the emotion. So it is je suis content, masculine, je suis contente, feminine. Sad. Je suis triste. Je suis triste. Now you can see here, there is no change because if an emotion ends with E already in the masculine form, doesn't change in the feminine form. Je suis triste. I'm sad. Shy. Je suis timide. Je suis timide. I am shy. Here again, because it is ending with E, there is no change in the masculine and the feminine form. Je suis timide. I am shy. Surprise. I am surprised. How to say? Je suis surpris. Je suis surprise. Now here we have to add an extra E for the feminine form. Just remember that. So je suis surpris, masculine. Je suis surprise, feminine. Now the emotion is tired. If you want to say I am tired, je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué. I am tired. Here also we have to add an extra E to make it feminine. Je suis fatigué. The next one is I am angry. How to say that? Je suis fâché. Je suis fâché. I'm angry. Scared. So what is that emotion? Okay, so that is called je suis effrayé. Je suis effrayé. I'm scared. The next one is worried. And that is inquiet. Je suis inquiet. Je suis inquiète. As you know, there's a masculine and the feminine different. So je suis inquiet, the masculine one. Je suis inquiète, the feminine. Alright, so now we play a little game. Now can you guess what are these emotions all about? Let's start. Happy. Je suis content. And je suis contente for the feminine. Angry. What is angry? You remember that? Alright. Je suis fâché. Je suis fâché. Angry. Worried. What is worried? That is, je suis inquiet. Je suis inquiète. I'm worried. Sad. And what is that? Je suis triste. Je suis triste. I am sad. Now what? Guess. What is that? Okay. Shy. And that is je suis timide. Je suis timide. That is I'm shy. Oh, he's so tired. And what is that? That is je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué. I am tired. How about, let's say, scared? Yeah, here it is. All right, so it is je suis effrayé. Je suis effrayé. I am scared. Surprise. And that is je suis surpris. Je suis surprise. Again, masculine and the feminine, of course. Well, that's all about this video. I hope you understand how we express our emotions in French language. And yes, thank you so much for subscribing our channel. If it's not done, please do it right now. So till the next video, happy learning, easy French.